We are here at St. Louis showing off the Cessna Citation M2. This is a 7-passenger airplane, single pilot, out of the 525 family. Base price on the airplane is $4.5 million. Great all-around airplane, Garmin G3000 avionics. This really is a great entry-level airplane for a lot of jet operators and guys looking to step up out of a turboprop aircraft or even a piston aircraft. Workload for the pilot is considerably less than even some of the older King Airs or a TBM or anything like that, simply because the automation and great things that come with a brand new airplane.
Great. And we're here with
Jim Holton, and we're just looking at this as a possibility for a corporate airplane. And we like the single pilot, we like the 1,400 mile range, we like the speed, and we like the avionics. And it's very reasonably priced.